welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. The third Salesian Family Spirituality Congress in Colombia was held from 12th to 15th September at the Leon 13 Salesian College, involving 320 participants from all over the country, organized by the Inter-Provincial Joint Formation Commission. In an atmosphere of fraternity and joy, members of the Salesian family, FMA and SDB young people, Information and SYM young people reflected on Don Bosco's childhood dream, led by the guest speaker, Father Louis Timosi, SDB, from the Salesian Ongoing Formation Center, America. On 16th September, during the traditional Salesian Good Morning, Father Joe Carlos, Vice Provincial and Delegate for Social Communication of the Saint Aloysius Gonzaga Province of Recife, Brazil, launched its Social, Educational and Pastoral Impact Report 2023 for the first time. Conceived by the Provincial Social Communication Service at the end of 2023, it is the result of research, commitment and data analysis to guarantee society the social return that the Salesians of Don Bosco offer to young people, especially those in situations of social vulnerability. On 14 September 2024, the Don Bosco Past Pupils Association in Bangkok, together with the Salesian Past Pupil Association, organized a day of gratitude attended by past pupils of Don Bosco from St. Dominic, Bangkok and Sarasit School. In the morning, a Thanksgiving ceremony dedicated to the souls of deceased Salesian priests and brothers was held at the cemetery at the St. Joseph's Church in Ban Pong. The Eucharist was presided over by Father Boonlert Panita Thayasai, Superior of the Salesian Province of Thailand. Several football matches were held in the afternoon, involving students, past pupils and Salesian aspirants. An extraordinary historical relic has emerged in Malta, arousing new interest in the island's Salesian heritage. An original autograph The Junior Priests Meet of St. John Paul II Province of Shillong was held at Bosco Tech Silchar from 16 to 18 September 2024. The event began on 16 September with a short felicitation program at Don Bosco School's auditorium. The staff and the students welcomed and facilitated Father John Zosiama, the Provincial, Father Jivan Lakra, the Vice Provincial, Father Devasya, the animator of the Junior Priests Meet, and all the junior priests. The opening session was taken by Father Provincial. The whole animation was conducted by Father Devasya along with Brother Titus, a layperson who is involved in the charismatic movement. The whole animation focused on the spiritual strengthening and empowerment of the young priests, helping the young priests to realize the gifts and charism that they received at the priestly ordination. The animation concluded on Wednesday morning, 18 September 2024, with a Holy Eucharist.
Father Devasya, dear junior priest, sister, Father Khuborjylla, the Vice Principal,
senior priest and animator for these 2 days to the stage and receive a school token of love.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.